Hello everyone. So last class we completed the chapter Malu and Balu. So I hope you completed the new words and its meaning. Today we are going to write the question and answer. Question number 1. Where did the polar bear live with her family? Answer. The polar bear lived in an icy layer with her family. Question number 2. What did Malu learn to do from her parents? Answer. Malu learned to catch fish and swim from her parents. Question number 3. Where did Malu want to travel? Malu wanted to go far out to play. Question number 4. What was it that Malu's parent wanted her to learn? Malu's parent wanted to her to learn swimming. Question number 5. Was Malu scared to swim? Did she learn it easily? Answer. Yes, Malu was a little scared to swim, but she learned it easily. Question number 6. Read the last two stanza of the poem. Who does she stands for in both? So, answer is in the last two stanza of the poem, she stands for Malu's mother. Question number 7. See the picture shown below and talk about it. So, that is no need to write in your notebook. So, you have to no need to draw the picture. So, you have to write the answer in your notebook. So, you look at the picture and write down. On a sunny day, a baby polar bear named Ronald wanted to learn swimming. You can change the name also. He was very scared but also excited to learn swimming. He requested his mother to teach him swimming. After hearing this, she got very happy and asked Ronald to go get ready to learn his first lesson. She splashed Ronaldo in chilled water. Ronaldo at first was very frightened, but after a few minutes, she started swimming by himself. If you are interested to write yourself, you can write your own, but if you can't, you can use this one. Okay, next page. You can see some pictures of Malu and Balu. The next column, write true or false. Then the third column, character sketch. Here some clues are there, so you have to write whether it is true or false. First, second column, third column, character sketch. Okay. Question number 1. Malu's hair was white. Is it true or false? True. Malu knew how to swim. False. Malu was playing with the penguins. False. Malu was good at catching fish. True. Malu was a brave Balu. True. Malu did not love her mother. False. Malu did not love her mother. False. So you can do it in your textbook itself. There is a space is there, so you have to write. Then in the next column, uh, character sketch. Brave, strong, hard work, eager to learn more, smart, caring, impatient, female, affectionate, bold, playful, white, adventurous, clever, young, fearless. So there is a space to write 6 character sketch. So about Malu. So you can write Malu was a brave polar bear. She could catch fish very easily. Malu was impatient. She wanted to go beyond the blue sky to play. Malu was playful. Malu was very caring bear. She loved her mother wholeheartedly. So, write a detailed character sketch of Malu Balu so that you can do in the textbook itself. By using this clue, you can write your own. Okay. Next page. Read the following passage carefully. One day, Meena plucks a mango and brings it home. Her mother gives the large piece to Raju because he is a boy. Meena protects. After all, she bought the mango and she is the elder of two. She insists she has a greater right over her share. Her father comes to her, help and divide the mango equally. Now answer the questions. So question number 1, who bought the mango home? So this one you can write in your notebook. Okay, so question and answer you have to write. So question number 1, who bought the mango home? Answer, Meena bought the mango home. Question number 2, why did Meena's grandmother give a large piece to Raju? Why did Meena's grandmother give a large piece to Raju? Answer is, Meena's grandmother gave a large piece to Raju because he was a boy. Question number 3, who do you think should have got a larger piece? Answer is, Meena should have got the larger piece because she was one who bought the mango. So next one, using the following clues, write about yourself in a space below. Name, place in your life, physical features, habits, likes and dislikes. So that you have to write yourself, because you have to write your name first, then place you live, where you are living, then physical features, how was your body features, habits, which are your habits, then write down likes and dislikes, which is your most likes things and which is your most dislike things. Okay, then next one, what are you things your mother asked you do? Things you like to do, things you don't like to do. So there is a space. So things to things you like to do, I like to swim, I like to play, I like to clean my own room. So going to market, anything you can write. So which are the things you like to do when the mother is told to you? Okay, then which are the things you don't like? I don't like to study before going to bed, I don't like to get up early in the morning of Sunday. Like, you can write your own. Okay, next one, Malu lived with Malu's parents in the North Pole. Malu had great fun with Malu's seagull friends. One day Malu's father told Malu that the hunters had come to trap Malu and Malu's family. Malu knew how to hide very well. Malu shot Malu's eyes and curled up like a ball of snow. The hunters searched for Malu and Malu's family everywhere, but it in. So here one word is repeating. So we can avoid that thing. So if we are avoiding that things, we can add other things on the space below. So you have to study the table below, then you will get very easily. Person speaking, person speaking to other person, place, things. When we are using singular, I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it. Plural, we, us, you, they, them. Okay. In the case of singular, you can use I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it. But in the case of plural, we can use we, us, you, they, them. Now rewrite the above paragraph using the words from the above table. So you remember that paragraph, one word is one blue color word is repeating everywhere. So we can we can use Malu. Then after we can change according to the we check it is singular or plural, then you can write down. So answer is, one day Malu's father told him that the hunter had come to trap him and his family. Okay, she so we learned that Malu was a girl. So here is some mistake is there. So not he, she knew how to hide very well. Malu shut her eyes and curled up like a ball of snow. The hunters searched for her and her family everywhere, but it was vain. Okay, so you write down in the space provided. Okay, page number. So once again, you remember that we can avoid the repeating the names. So we can use, if it is singular, we can use I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it. And is it plural, we can use we, us, you, they, them. Okay, so in this paragraph, one day Malu's father told Malu, so Malu we can change into her, that hunters had come to trap Malu. So we can again change Malu, we can use she and her family. Malu knew how to hide very well. She shut her eyes and curled up like a ball of snow. The hunters searched for she and her family everywhere, but it in vain. So these all are the textual activities of the chapter Malu and Balu. So everyone try to do yourself and then complete your notebook itself. So question and answer and let us talk, that also you can write in the notebook itself. Others you can write in the textbook itself. If the space is provided, you can do it in textbook. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, you can call me or ask me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.